Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Dude's Booze Reviews. This week we're looking at Kula's Toasted Coconut Rum. So Kula has an organic and a dark, and then they have their toasted coconut rum. You can check out the other two right up there. For the toasted coconut rum, they start with their organic rum, and then they add deep ocean mineral water. Then they add natural flavors from real coconut pulp. That's what gives it that coconut flavor. Let's give it a try. That is extremely coconutty. On the nose, you get a massive amount of coconut and vanilla. You don't get a whole lot of burn on the nose, which is really nice. It reminds me of like a coconut shampoo I used to use. That's really nice. Right at the start when it hits your palate, it feels really thick, but then you realize it's really not. You get a nice, subtle coconut flavor. It's not as strong as the nose. It's also not as sweet as a lot of other coconut rums. You definitely get coconut, vanilla, and a little bit of earthiness too. On the finish, you get a hint of banana that you get from the organic rum. It's very tropical. This rum is not too sweet, which is really nice for a coconut rum because a lot of the drinks you would use a coconut rum for are gonna be sweet anyway, so it's really nice to have that balance. You could use it in spirit-forward cocktails, you could use it in a lot of fruity, juicy cocktails, so it's got a lot of versatility with that lack of sweetness. I think, of course, it would really work well in a pina colada though, especially if you mix this one and the white rum and then floated a little bit of the dark rum on top. That would be a delicious combo. A good price point for Kula's Toasted Coconut Rum. If you could get a bottle for under $20, you're looking at a really good deal for this. This is a really nice toasted coconut rum. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, hit that like button, share this video around, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.